Hello everyone. Let's start with today's chapter, Morphology of Flowering Plant. First question. Taproot system is seen in dicotyledonous plant, monocotyledonous plant, primary root or secondary root. The correct answer is taproot system is seen in dicotyledonous plant. Dicotyledonous means di means two and cotyledons means two cotyledons. Plant having two cotyledons is called as a dicot, and taproot system is seen in dicotyledonous plant. Monocotyledon, mono means single, plant having single cotyledon is called as a monocot. And primary root, secondary root and tertiary root, they together form as a taproot system. So the correct answer is dicotyledonous plant. अब इसमें टैप रूट सिस्टम एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है? लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी, दिस इज अ प्लांट. ओके, when the root grows from the seed, okay, सीधा जमीन के अंदर जो स्ट्रेट ग्रो हो रहा है ये फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड एज ए प्राइमरी रूट. डायरेक्ट रेडिकल से जो फॉर्मेशन होता है और inside the soil it is growing straight away is called as a primary root. Now this primary root giving branches in a different direction is called as a secondary root. Okay, now this secondary root is giving branches in a different direction is called as a tertiary root. So primary, secondary and tertiary root, they together form as a taproot system. And this taproot system is seen in dicotyledonous plant. ठीक है, remember this. Next, adventitious roots arises from part of radical, part other than radical, within the radical, without the radical. पहले क्वेश्चन में हमने देखा कि प्राइमरी रूट रेडिकल से डायरेक्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है, then it is giving branches to in different direction. Now this adventitious roots is different from primary root. So the adventitious roots arises from part other than the radical. So part from the radical is primary root, part other than the radical is adventitious root. And within the radical, without the radical, ये सिर्फ थोड़ा confusion create करने के लिए डाला है options. Okay. Third one, monocotyledonous plant consists of taproot system, fibrous root system, adventitious root system और primary root system. पहले क्वेश्चन में क्या था? Taproot system is seen in dicotyledonous plant. Fine. So monocotyledonous plant consists of fibrous root system. fibrous root system में क्या होता है? जो primary root होता है वो short term के लिए ही होता है. Then it disappears and many small branches form a fibrous root system. ठीक है, from the primary root only it is replaced by the primary root is replaced by various numerous small roots and it forms the fibrous root system. So the monocotyledon plant consists of fibrous root system and dicot consists of taproot system. Fine. Adventitious root system is different and primary root system, there is no such a system called as a primary root system. Primary, secondary and tertiary, these together form as a taproot system. Fine. Now what is the function of root? Option A, water mineral absorption, plant anchorage, food storage, plant growth regulator synthesis, all of the above. वाटर मिनरल का एब्जॉर्प्शन करता है, यस करता है. प्लांट एंकरेज करता है, प्लांट को मजबूती देता है, एक जगह पे पकड़ के रखता है, यस. फूड स्टोरेज करता है प्लांट के लिए, यस. प्लांट ग्रोथ रेगुलेटर जो होते हैं उनकी सिंथेसिस करता है, यस. तो ऑल दीज आर दी फंक्शन ऑफ root. So the correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Wheat plant is the example of fibrous root system, taproot system, adventitious root system or primary root system. So the wheat plant is the example of fibrous root system. हर एक रूट सिस्टम का एग्जाम्पल याद रखना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर इन इजीएस्ट वे. आपको जो भी सिंपल लगे, ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर देयर फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेम्बर द example of each root system. So wheat plant is an example of fibrous root system. You can remember as WWF होता है ना, WWF. So you can remember as WF. Okay. Next, example of adventitious root system are grass, monstera, banyan tree, or all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Grass, monstera and banyan tree, all these are the examples of adventitious roots. Next, example of tap root system is banyan tree, mustard plant, grass or rose plant. The example of tap root system. Example of fibrous root system क्या था? First question में wheat, WWF. Yes, wheat is the example of fibrous root system. So, and here the mustard plant is the example of tap root system. पहले क्वेश्चन, इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या था? बनियन ट्री एंड ग्रास. ये एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडवेंटिशियस रूट्स थे, है ना. सो द मस्टर्ड ट्री plant is the example of tap root system. Next, elongation of radical leads to the formation of primary root, secondary root, tertiary root or fibrous root. Correct answer is the direct elongation of radical leads to the formation of primary root. Secondary tertiary root क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? क्योंकि secondary and tertiary root primary root से originate होते हैं. They do not originate directly. So the secondary root and tertiary root तो हो ही नहीं सकते, and fibrous root तो इन तीनों रूटों से different होते हैं. So the correct answer is primary root. The direct elongation of radical leads to the formation of primary root. The primary root then gives the branches, secondary and tertiary root from different directions. And when the primary root is short-lived, थोड़े ही time के लिए होता है, and then it is replaced by numerous small roots, that is called as a fibrous root. So ये तीनों ही primary root से तैयार हो रहे हैं. So first primary root is forming, so the direct elongation of radical is, and the formation, it is forming directly from the radical, so it is called as a primary root. The correct answer is option A. I hope you understand all the questions. Try to remember the example of each and every root system. If you have any doubt, any question, you can post your question in a comment section. You can also mail me. My email ID is given in the description box. Till then, happy study.